All right, we are here at the Rivian Adventure Network for our sort of weekly charging episode. Let's go check out what our battery temps are. Right now we are sitting at 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Ambient temps is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are at about 90 miles or 27% state of charge. All right, so it says we're gonna be here for 38 minutes. And what a good time to show you two products from Vion. This first product is the roof shade. You know how I love roof shade, and we're gonna check it out for this Rivian R1S. And they also sent me a cabin air filter. You're just gonna be like, wow, how easy it is to replace it. So we're gonna go check out these two products. Now the Gen 2s do have the glass roof, and you may be wondering, well, if I have a Gen 2, what in the world am I gonna do with the roof shade? It does help with heat rejection, but it can't fully block out light. So just depends on how your mood is. If you just don't want that light, then you want a roof shade. Now this comes in two different pieces, and it comes with clips, an instruction manual. Oh, okay. So this has a tab right here. Rear, this side facing up, right there. So this is the rear, and this also has a tab. It says front, this side facing up. So two pieces. All right, so there is our glass roof. If we were to enable the glass roof, so it does block some light, but it's still pretty bright in here. So this is an option that you could use. It comes with two different types of clips. Now these are the ones that you put around, and these ones are the ones you put in between the front and the rear. So let's go check it out. All right, so what I'm gonna do is put these clips on here first. So I'm gonna put two in the front and two on the side. Not towards the middle, because we have a different piece for that. Okay, so now that I have the clips on the shade, we should be able to just slide these in. Oh, I want to slide these clips in more to the middle. So that's cool, it's adjustable, you can slide them. Except for the one where the tab is, can't really slide it, but because the tab's in the way, but you could slide these ones around. I would probably move it more here towards the center. All right, so let's go ahead and put these clips outside the vehicle. It's probably a lot easier because I got more room, but we're gonna go ahead. So tab facing rear and up, we're gonna put 4. So I'm gonna put one here, more towards the center. And we're gonna put 2 on the side. It's really easy to put it on there. The edges have something solid that it clips on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You're gonna be able to slide these around and adjust it once you have it on there. And now these are flexible, so when you put it in, you can flex them a little bit so that you can slide the clips in along the headliner. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get in the second row and install this. All right, you're gonna need a little bit of adjusting, because where the two meet, it's a little tight. All right, this is where they meet, and those clips that go in between will actually block that gap that you're showing, or that, because they're rounded corners there. These are flexible, and what you can do is put this here, slide it, and then fix that in between, and then slide it again. Look at that right there. So there are some wrinkles, but according to the instruction manual, it will go away. And so I'm just sliding these clips here to adjust it. That clip actually I couldn't slide. It was pretty tough, but again, you can just, it's flexible, so you can bend it inwards and pop the clip out and adjust it accordingly. But there you go. There's an option right here if you want to just really block out the light. This is a good option. There is none for the third row, but just like with the Rivian dynamic glass roof, there is no option or DGR in the third row either. But check out the fit. Covers it really well. You get majority of that roof covered. All right, so I got the roof shade up, and it's blocking pretty much all the light from the glass roof. And it helps a lot if you don't like a lot of light coming in. You could also tint your windows as well. I don't really like tinting the glass roof on any of my EVs because, for one, it's pretty expensive. But definitely for my Tesla, the Cybertruck, and the Model Y Juniper, once I have roof shades in there, I tend to not remove it. I don't like it. So I leave the roof shade on. We are currently at 83% state of charge, 57 kilowatt in speed, and it's pretty easy to install. As you can see, I installed it while I was charging the Rivian. I'm gonna go ahead and put up the charge totals, and we're gonna get going. So it does come with extra clips, and it comes with a nice storage bag with the Vion logo on the other side. Next, we're gonna take a look at their cabin air filter, and you're just gonna be like, wow, is it really that easy to replace the cabin air filter? Yes, even easier than the Tesla ones. The Tesla ones is really hard to get to. It can be tricky, but we are now in the frunk of the Rivian, and this is the same for both Rivian R1T and R1S. There's basically this plastic shroud right here, and they're just held on by clips. And all you have to do is just lift it ever so gently, or just a little bit of pressure if you need to. But let me bring in that camera. Man, I think my filter might need to be changed soon. But yeah, there it is, that yellow one. So I might have to replace it. Okay, we're at 2,400 miles. So I wonder how often we need to replace these. I don't know if it's by mileage or just depends on what area you live in. But this is the filter itself, and yeah, you just pop that one out and pop this one in. R1T and R1S cabin air filter. All right, being height challenged, I can't reach it. So I guess I have to wait when I get home. I'm gonna replace that. Very easy. All right, we're going for a little drive, and yeah, definitely I can feel the difference because it's just blocking it. But yeah, check it out. Got the roof shade installed, blocking a lot of light. And let me know what you think. So shout out to Vion for sending out the products. Also, the roof shade is compatible with Gen 1 R1S, so you don't get the dynamic glass roof there, but you can take advantage of their roof shade. So thank you, Vion, for sending out the products. Check out the video description for all the information that you're gonna need. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.